Is that rain is playing spoil sport as far as this India-South Africa final clash is concerned, because the update from Mumbai is that it has started raining again. Let's go across to my colleague Yesha, who's joining us from Mumbai. Yes, Yesha,
I think that the toss would take place at 3 p.m.
Yes.
Following is the match would start at 3:30. Absolutely, yes. So like we expected, the toss would take place around 3. The match would start at 3:30. But yes, we're seeing that it's drizzling all over again in Mumbai. But clearly that's not dampening the spirits of fans who've gathered here. We see n number of fans entering inside the DR Patil, thousands of them cheering for women in blue. We have some of the fans right here. Tell me, you're here to cheer for women in blue. How do you see it? Clearly the rains have acted a bit of spoil sport. Do you think that the game would go uninterrupted and you'd see a 50 over versus 50 over match?
I don't mind even if it's a reduced match as long as India wins. That's the main purpose. And rain is just freshening our moods so that we can enjoy the game better.
Okay. You tell me. Clearly, yes, of course, your friend has to say that the rains, no rains. It's here. It's about cheering for women in blue. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely, it's a big occasion, and I mean, the rain is there, it is persistent, but we are more persistent and we are hoping for a game. I think me, my friends, and everyone who came here came to see India lift the trophy, and we are not going if we don't see that.
So would you see like a big victory march headed all the way from Navi Mumbai to Mumbai with the trophy?
I hope so, yes, and with that victory match, we'll see a number of people supporting the women's in blue, celebrating the trophy, because I think it's going to be a big moment. I think this will be our first World Cup win in women's cricket, so I think it's going to be huge. It will change the face of women's cricket. So yeah, speaking about it is giving me goosebumps, so I'm very excited for this.
Clearly. We'll come to you, of course. You know, it's going to be not very easy because it's South Africa. South Africa is known to be a bit of choker. So, how do you see this match coming in?
Yeah, I guess South Africa has good batting power. Their captain has been a good form. The clap has been, she has a very good semi-final previous match. So yeah, crucial wickets at the top of the order. I feel India would be very win the match. I'm just hoping we win the toss and bowl first, because in this rainy condition it would be a safer side if we bowl first and get the target itself.
You're hoping that the toss would be on time?
Yeah, I'm not much of a. I'm not thinking much of the toss coming up, but whatever India bats or India bowl, we are very confident India is going to take the trophy tonight.
Clearly, it's going to be a difficult match. With of course so many fans, so many Indian fans being a part of the cheering team right now for women in blue. We have some more fans right here. In fact, we see a lot of women who've come out to support the women in blue.
We are here for supporting women's team, Indian team. Yes, we are hoping for our first ICIC Women's Trophy for the women's for India.
Yeah.
Tell me, whom are you here to cheer for?
India.
Which cricketer?
All Indian women's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Clearly, like we've been saying, so many people out to support the women is in itself heartwarming. And when you see of this, like we've been saying, it's going to be a change, when it comes to the women cricket team. Yes.